Hi, to be able to receive notifications from third-party apps on your Honor Magic 7 Lite, as a first step, open Settings. And let's say I can't receive notifications from WhatsApp. To solve that problem, I need to firstly find my Apps tab. Here, choose Apps. And in this list, find WhatsApp. I'm gonna use the search bar to make the process faster. So this is my WhatsApp app information, and first thing I need to do is to go in notifications and make sure they are allowed here. Also, you can go in each tab and make sure allow notifications is enabled, and for lock screen and banners as well. So just visit each tab, including this, other notification and silent notifications, and make sure both lock screen and banners are enabled. Also, you can enable app icon badges and bubbles if you want to. And in more settings, you can change notification tone. Also, what else you can do is you can find and open WhatsApp, and in the app manually find your settings, and in here you need to go in notifications and also enable notifications in the app itself. Now let's return back in settings, and the next thing I suggest you to do is to check permissions. Make sure that notifications are allowed. So this is how it should look in your case as well. Then we can go in data usage and make sure that for network access you allowed mobile data usage, Wi-Fi and roaming data. So all of the switchers are blue, like in my case. Also here you can find app details, and if you got option to update this app, then do it, because update fixes usually all issues. So just tap blue button update and update this app. Now we can go in storage and choose to clear cache. Also you can manage storage and manage downloads here. Now the next thing we can do is we need to go back in settings actually and choose apps again, and for now choose app launch. Here you need to enable manage automatically. Disable manage automatically. Then tap on three dots, choose manage manually, and then pick auto launch. Allow this. Secondary launch, allow it as well, and run in background. Also allow, especially for WhatsApp or for any other app for which you are trying to enable notifications. And the next thing you can do to fix this problem is you can reinstall this app. So basically find it in the list. I'm gonna enable my app drawer, press and hold WhatsApp and choose to uninstall. After that you need to tap OK, and then you can go back in Play Store, and here you'll be able to reinstall the app. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.